There's a new Lexus GX coming soon, and this is what it could look like with some tasteful aftermarket mods that don't even include the bounty of foreseeable overland gear like rooftop tents, awnings, recovery boards, and other off-grid supplies. Japan Offroad Service, JAOS, a Japanese company established in 1985 specializing in manufacturing and distributing off-road products, collaborated with Lexus to build this concept 2024 Lexus GX550 Overtrail JAOS version. This fresh take on the new luxury off-roader is on display in the JAOS booth at the 2024 Tokyo Auto Salon, alongside a JAOS-built, forbidden fruit Lexus LX600 freshly back from racing the 2023 Baja 1000, which we've also included in our batch of pictures. JAOS customized the GX550 with a tasteful selection of its products: front bumper guard, 4mm aluminum skid plate, bolt-on fender protection, tubular black side steps, roof rack, mudguards, Tribe Cross 18-inch wheels, and a Battlez lift kit with titanium-infused springs and Harmofleq built-in adjustable dampers. It sports 275/70ths R18 Toyo Open Country all-terrains, something the Japanese-spec GX550 doesn't get. Of the 6 new generation GX trims, the new Overtrail and Overtrail Plus are, of course, the off-road trims. Features include 33-inch all-terrains wrapped around 18-inch wheels, an electronic kinetic dynamic suspension system, KDSS, for better wheel articulation, an electronic locking rear differential, black over fenders, aluminum skid plate, special exterior colors, and some off-road tech like the multi-terrain select system, crawl control, downhill assist control, and a 3D multi-terrain monitor. Although we've driven a pre-production Lexus GX550 Overtrail, powered by a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V-6 engine, shared with the Toyota Tundra, that makes 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque in the GX, chances are slim to none that you've been behind the wheel or seen one on a trail. But when you catch a glimpse of something that you don't quite recognize, don't be stalked if it's the new GX.